This guide shows how to import bulk companies, and same process can be used to import deals. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Companies. At the top right corner, click on the Import Companies button. Upload your Excel file containing company details. Click on Upload. Click on Next. You'll see a Source Mapper section. Each column from your Excel file on the left needs to be mapped with the corresponding form field in the system on the right. Click on Phone Number. Review each field carefully and ensure all mandatory fields are mapped correctly, and click on Next. Review the mapped data before uploading. If any record looks incorrect, click the Back button to return and fix mapping errors. Once reviewed, click Upload to import the companies. Uploaded companies will be displayed in Grid.